Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best dusting gloves is probably one of the most overlooked tools in a plant parent's arsenal, but trust me, it's a game changer. Today, we're diving deep into the world of microfiber dusting gloves specifically designed for your beloved houseplants. We'll explore how these gloves can revolutionize your plant care routine, making dusting a breeze and keeping your green companions happy and healthy. Get ready to say goodbye to dusty leaves and hello to thriving plants. Number 5. Evridwear Microfiber Cleaning Gloves. These gloves are designed for plant care. They gently and effectively clean your plant leaves without causing any damage, ensuring they look their best and absorb more sunlight. Made from high-quality microfibers, the gloves trap dust effectively. The fluffy fibers prevent dust from spreading around, keeping your surfaces clean. These gloves aren't just for plants. They work great on furniture, blinds, and small objects. They can reach those hard-to-clean areas, removing dust from cracks and crevices. Use them dry or damp, no liquids or chemicals are needed. They are perfect for plant lovers, especially those with a large plant collection. The gloves are durable, stretchy, washable, and reusable. Simply drop them in the washer and air dry to maintain their softness. What we like. This glove is specifically designed for plant care, ensuring your leaves stay healthy and clean. Its microfiber material traps dust effectively, preventing it from spreading around. If you have a lot of houseplants and want an easy way to keep them looking their best, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Work very well for cleaning my monsteras. Works good to dust my plant leaves. Way easier than any other method I've tried to dust houseplant leaves off so they can keep functioning. Number 4. Patelai Microfiber Plant Dusting Gloves, 3 pairs. Introducing the Patelai Microfiber Plant Dusting Gloves. This set includes 3 pairs, providing everything you need for easy cleaning. They make caring for your plants a breeze, ensuring they always shine. These gloves are built to last. You can easily clean them, and they're designed for repeated use. Enjoy their quality season after season as you care for your plants. Made from high-quality microfiber, these gloves effectively trap dust particles. They pick up fine dust without letting it fall, ensuring a clean environment. Remember to check the size before purchasing. Crafted from soft, skin-friendly microfiber, these gloves protect your hands while cleaning. They're breathable and offer a pleasant experience. Simply toss them in the washing machine and air dry to maintain their softness. These gloves aren't just for plants, they're great for furniture, blinds, and hard-to-reach areas. They efficiently remove dust from cracks and crevices, making cleaning easier. What we like. You get 3 pairs of these gloves, so you'll always have a clean one ready. They are made from soft, skin-friendly microfiber that's gentle on your hands. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution that provides multiple gloves for all your cleaning needs, this is the one. What people say. The microfiber is very soft and effective. They grip the leaves very gently. These dusting gloves work so well. Great quality, thick material, and durable. Number 3. Patelai Microfiber Cleaning Gloves, blue, green, large. These microfiber gloves are perfect for all your cleaning needs. They are soft, reusable, and designed to make cleaning easier. Made from high-quality microfiber, the gloves are gentle on surfaces. They won't scratch and are safe for use on various items. Designed to fit most hand sizes, the gloves are comfortable and breathable. You can wear them for extended periods without discomfort. Use these gloves for dusting plants, cleaning cars, windows, and more. They are ideal for hard-to-reach areas and various surfaces. These gloves are reusable and washable, making them an eco-friendly choice. Simply wash them and they're ready for the next cleaning task. The package includes 2 pairs of gloves in different colors. This ensures you have enough for all your cleaning needs. What we like. The soft texture of these gloves ensures that they won't scratch any surfaces, making them ideal for delicate items. They are designed to fit most hand sizes comfortably. If you like to keep your car and house clean without worrying about scratches, you should consider these. What people say. Great for dusting plants. Quick and gentle. Great for other regular dusting too. They work well to get into all the crevices and tiny leaves and vines. Much easier and more thorough job, especially on ceiling fans and window blinds. Number 2. Bencailor 6 pairs microfiber dusting gloves. These gloves come in a set of 6 pairs, each in a different color. They are designed for all your cleaning needs around the house. It's a simple and classic design. Made from quality microfiber material, these gloves trap dust and debris effectively. They can be used wet or dry for efficient cleaning. This helps you clean your home quickly. These gloves are easy to wash with water and detergent. They are ideal for dusting small or hard-to-reach areas. It's a flexible and convenient cleaning tool. These reusable and reliable gloves make a great housewarming gift. They are a practical tool for anyone moving into a new home. Your friends will love it. Use these gloves on various items like plant leaves, photo frames, and TV screens. They help keep your house neat and tidy. Using it will keep you in a good mood. What we like. With 6 pairs, you'll have plenty for all your cleaning needs, and the different colors are a nice touch. These gloves are designed to make cleaning quick and easy, both wet and dry. If you're looking for a practical and thoughtful housewarming gift, this is a great option. What people say. They do great on dusting small crevices on furniture or knick-knacks. It makes my dusting go faster because it's intuitive just using your hand. I love them for dusting clients' slat blinds. I've bought 3 sets so far. Highly recommend. With these gloves, I can pick up each piece and wipe it down to remove not only the surface dust that I could with a duster, but actually wipe firmly enough that the glass sparkles. They're soft and fluffy, and no dust escapes into the air while using them. Number 1. Master Caster CleanGreen Microfiber Cleaning Gloves. These gloves, sold as a pair, are designed to make cleaning easier. They are made of microfiber, which is great for cleaning and dusting. The microfiber material effectively traps dust and dirt. This allows you to clean surfaces without the need for harsh chemicals. Simply slip these gloves on and start cleaning. The gloves are comfortable and allow for a good grip. You will receive 1 pair of these cleaning gloves. They are perfect for tackling various cleaning tasks around the house. Make cleaning a breeze with these microfiber gloves. They are a simple and effective solution for a cleaner home. What we like. This glove offers a straightforward and effective way to dust. It is easy to use and perfect for quick cleanups. If you are looking for a simple, no-fuss solution for dusting, this is a great choice. What people say. The gloves feel like soft teddy bears on your hands, but when you glide them across dust and grime, it wipes it out immediately. They work great on blinds, ceiling fans, dusting off appliances. It's so easy to pull on the gloves and dust quickly. Pick up the picture frame or paperweight, dust under it with the other hand, then dust the item before returning it to the shelf. The gloves turn a tedious job into a breeze. The effect on keyboards is amazing, and you can wipe the screen while you're at it. All dust, hair, everything sticks to it as you run your hand over an area. It's easy to go outside to shake out when it gets too dirty. When it's ready to clean, running it through the washer with other items and NO fabric softener gets it clean, then lay to dry. It's ready to dust again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.